the modification.
Wow. All right. Well, I'll put the book cover up one more time. He's got a new book out. The Big Picture, 11 Laws That Will Change Your Life. Tony, you got some short, little, easy exercises for us?
Short and easy. Well, I got short. I'll give you that much.
Do you want to introduce us to your lovely people? We know Tina Sabasio.
Yes. I changed. I'm a P90X believer.
Oh, you're a very
couple
wise
years.
woman. This is Saudi. She's lost over 100 pounds with P90X.
Wow.
2 years ago, and she's maintaining her weight loss with P90X3.
100 pounds?
Yeah, she's a Beachbody coach. She's
Part of it is also eating, correct?
Of course it's about eating.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean, food is health, period. Exercise is fitness. Those two things have to happen together.
All right, so show us.
So here's a little move. These are called jack squats. I just love the name. All right, so I try to do as many moves as possible where your whole body's involved. So you're nice and low in this squat, like this, and then you're going to jump into chair, here, and then down, here.
Yeah, that's hard.
It's a lot harder than the jumping jack.
That looks
Remember that?
hard.
You got your jumping jack. Now we're intensifying stuff because we want more muscle recruitment. The more muscle you recruit, right? You like that move?
Yep.
All right, so now we have push-up, bird dog, crunch.
Greg, you can do this. Come on,
Let me see.
man.
Let me see.
All right, so
Come on,
here,
Greg.
we're going to get down here. All right, so standard push-up, you don't even have to do it. You can skip it. That's the modifier. But we're all going to do our push-up. Raise the right arm, left leg.
Oh, that stuff.
Oh, that's like a Pilates move. A Pilates move.
How's that going, girls? Push up, arm and leg, using that balance. Like
Go, Greg.
crunch, extend, and then a push up.
Oh, everything.
I think I got it.
Works here.
Let's see that. Yes, in your suit. Yeah, quality work. Speak up.
That's
Yeah.
good.
No, I
that's
mean,
good. And that's hard.
That's
And you
hard.
work the core.
So if you look at those two moves,
Okay.
everything's involved. As opposed to a lot of guys and gals, they'll get on the elliptical, right? Smoke a cigarette.
Read a magazine.
Grab
Read
a
a
sheet,
magazine.
right? Cover to cover, a little War and Peace. But what I'm trying to do is get people using their entire body. Here's one called Road Runner.
Okay.
All right. Oh, there you go.
Sorry about that.
So Road Runner, down here, nice and low, left leg, front. So this arm, we're gonna get the arms and legs. We're gonna stay super low. Switch, switch, switch. And then sometimes, because it's fun, I'll change the speed. You wanna go quick? Go, 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 go.
It's kind of like a burpee standing up.
Yeah.
Get your cardio going.
There's a leap at the gym because, we used to just kind of focus on the weights. Now you're doing stuff and jumping around.
Exactly.
It causes a bit of a spectacle. But that's okay.
You're trying to get the
Spectacle in your own home, which is funny. You can do that in your underwear. if
You're
you want.
trying to get the heart rate up as well as getting the moves in, correct?
Exactly. A lot of my stuff is skill-based, very athletic training. So if you look at the way an athlete moves, the way an athlete trains, mixed martial arts, fastest growing sport in America. So here's a simple move. We'll go left leg forward for just for fun. So here we're going to throw. You
We can
ready?
do this one. Come on, hold on.
Jab. Jab. This is called over the top elbow. So you're going to come around like that. So it's a big dynamic movement.
Break it up, dude. We have the same impulse. All right, Pete, true
Sorry, Tony.
All right, hey, Tony, that's fabulous stuff. P90X3 is out right now.
Yes, it is.
One more time. Let's put that book cover up, please. Where are you going next? What's your next stop?
Toronto. We have a big event.